here. So आज के वीडियो में we will see the most recent method of updating your photograph and signature in the e-governance Seafarers profile. So actually to discuss the matter before that, we need to discuss that lots of changes have been continuously pouring around regarding how to update the process. So there are already lots of videos on YouTube in this regard, but they are, as of now, most of them are dealing with the matter with reference to the DGS order 20 of 2020. The one that I'm going to discuss about is the method which came to life after the arrival of the order DGS order 7 of 2021. So here we begin. This is in the light of the DGS order 7 of 2021, this process of how to update the photograph and signature. So once you open this particular web link, you can see it over here. This is web link address is provided in the order itself, 7 of 2021. By going through it, you can open, log in. You have to use the same login and password which you use in the e-governance profile. Over here, you come to see your photograph, the Indus photograph. Like in this particular case, the photograph is not meeting the guidelines, as you can see over here, and the reasons you may all understand. The guidelines mention it, the background. So it says that further, in order to update the photograph, you have to click here. So the click here provision is provided. You go to the click here module, do the click here, and as you do the click here, you are taken to the page, next page, where you have to upload your photograph. You can browse from over here and upload your photograph, and once you do that, you come to the next page where the system wants to click 3 live images of facial recognition purposes. So you upload, start webcam. You have to have a very good quality webcam as per the guidelines. Then upload your first live image, upload a second live image, and upload a third live image. Try to do it in bright light and little bit of variations so that it captures well your facial features from all the aspects, which may come handy when you're using this facial feature again during your exit examinations. So after you have done that, you will come to the next page where you might find a problem that you have to upload the scanned passport page. Now this is where people may get stuck, because when you try to upload the passport doesn't get uploaded. As in this particular case, the attempt is made to load it in JPG format. You can see it here. It is showing in green, which means this is an acceptable format. And when, however, the scan image in the JPG format is in this layout, and it gets rejected. So attempt is made second time. You see the notice flashes up that it is not as per the guidelines. So second attempt is made, this time in this particular layout, and astonishingly again this notice flashes up. The scanned passport is not as per guidelines. Upload proper scanned passport again. So a third attempt is made in this particular format now, where both the pages are there and complete photograph is showing, and this time it gets accepted. So these are the kind of obstruction you might come across, and you will have to find ways to overcome them. So this is it. Thank you for watching. You can proceed further and submit the signatures and then check the status and have them updated.